Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Xfinity. Now, if you are Xfinity Internet and TV customer, you can actually do this. So you can go ahead on YouTube, right? You can watch this on your Xfinity X1. You just go to YouTube, go to NFL Sunday Ticket, right? Or through the Flex streaming TV box. You just want to launch your YouTube app, sign in with your YouTube login information to begin watching. Okay. Now this is, of course, available through certain Xfinity TV boxes. If you try to access NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube on an unsupported TV box, you'll receive a on-screen prompt that says, an equipment update is required to access this content. Just follow the prompts they give you to update your requirement. Now, these are the models here that have certain features supported, so you can go ahead and look at this. Pause and look at these. But otherwise, it's really easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.